Good morning, children. Stay home, stay safe. This is our main motto to protect ourselves from corona. Use mask and sanitizer before having anything, and you should maintain distance 6 feet away from any inhabitant. Today, I would like to start new lesson, that is the first lesson of vocabulary, and you must enhance your vocabulary. Now I'll give opposite words, that is antonyms. So listen to me carefully. The first word is arrived. Arrived means చేరుకొనెను. So he arrived at the bus station by 5 a.m. He arrived at the bus station by 5 a.m. The train arrived at the station by 5 a.m. So like that we can say. That's for the sake of opposite words. And here you see the train departed at 5 p.m. The train departed at 5 p.m. He left for Bangalore. He left for Bangalore. So like that we can say expectedly అంటే ఊహించను. సో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్లీ. Unexpectedly, I expectedly follow his principles. I expectedly follow his principles. Unexpectedly, this incident happened unexpectedly. This incident happened unexpectedly. So, my observation, my expectation always happened expectedly. So now the next one is countryside. Countryside means Gramina Vatavaranam. So now I would like to say countryside, Gramina Vatam, then opposite urban area. So we can see cattle rearing and fields in the countryside only. We can see various kinds of domestic animals and also the creatures and various kinds of birds we can see in the countryside only. So what do we see in the urban area? In the urban area we can see industries, offices, and particularly we can see service sector in the urban area. So now we go to the got. Got means I got first class. I got first class. That means opposite పొందెను. సో దానికి ఆపోజిట్ లాస్ట్. I lost my memos. I lost my mark memos. I lost my way. I lost my approach. So like that we can say. Next one is lying. Lying means పండుకొనుట, అబద్ధం చెప్పుట కూడా వస్తుంది. He is always lying. He is always lying. ఆడెప్పుడు అబద్ధం చెప్తూ ఉంటాడు. దట్స్ లైక్ షీ ఈజ్ లయింగ్ in the armchair. She is lying in the armchair. She is lying in the armchair. So you must be truthful. Don't say lie. You must be truthful. If you are honest, everyone believe you. If you are honest, everyone believe you. So depend on your nature whether anyone believe or not. So the next one is on. On. I placed my piece of chalk on the table. I placed my piece of chalk on the table. So there is a pen in the box. There is a pen in the box. The pen is in the box. The pen is in the box. There is a less water in this well. There is a less water in this well. So, next, futile. She does not put any effort to get up. She does not put any effort to get up. She put a futile effort to get up. She puts a futile effort to get up. She puts a futile effort to get. She put futile effort to get up. So now the next one is, you do useful things only. You must be useful to the society. Your books are useful to us. This area is useful to grow the various kinds of crops. So now the next one is get up. Means let's start. You must get up at 5 a.m. every day. You must get up at 5 a.m. every day. So he got down from the car. He got down from the car. He gets down from the car. He gets down from the train. So like that. There, akkada. There is a big basket which consists of various kinds of fruits. There is a big basket which consists of various kinds of fruits. So here is a rules you must follow. Here is a rules you must follow. So the next one is eldest, means pedda. He is my eldest son. He is the eldest person in the family. He is the eldest person in his family. Sorry. He is the eldest person in his family. So, my daughter is youngest of all family members. My daughter is the youngest of all family members. So, this log is very thin. This log is very thin. We must go into the thick forest. We must go into the thick forest. We must go into the thick forest. So like that. And here you see, he took MPC group reluctantly. So, he took MPC group reluctantly. He reluctantly took MPC group. He reluctantly took MPC group. So, I am willing to do all these things. I am willing to do all these things. I am willing to solve this problem. I am willing to follow your principles. I am willing to find out this area. I am willing to reveal this suspense. I am willing to reveal this suspense. So the next one is slowly and fastly. So you must move slowly. You must move slowly. Then I will catch you. Then I will catch you. If you move slowly, I can catch you. If you move slowly, I can catch you. So, he is moving slowly. He is moving slowly, fastly. So, the bullet train is running fastly. The bullet train is running fastly. Diego was running fastly. Diego was running fastly in Asia. Diego was running fastly in Asia. So, Hima Das runs fastly in athletics. Hima Das is running fastly while competing in athletics. While competing in athletics. So like that. So now we go to the another thing, and that is darkness. We can't see anything in darkness. Do you see anything in the darkness? You can't. It is right or not? So the brightness of the sunshine is very hot. The brightness of the sunshine is very hot. So you should know how to move yourself in the darkness. And when you go into the darkness, you must use your torchlight. You must use your torchlight when you go into the darkness. So the next one is fat. 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 So he is very fat. He is very fat. He must do exercise to overcome his fat. To overcome his fat. Thin. This stick is very thin. This stick is very thin. He is a thin man. He is a thin man. He can't carry this heavy log. He is a thin man. He can't carry this heavy log. Next, sudden. అకస్మాత్తుగా, వెంటనే. The car dashed against the two-wheeler suddenly. The car faced an accident suddenly. The car faced an accident suddenly. So you must learn everything gradually. So we can't make it success within a night, within a overnight. So that's why we must learn everything gradually. We must learn everything gradually.